Today I've received an envelope from the Planner Society. They had some past paper packs for sale in their shop a couple of weeks ago, and I ordered 6 packs of paper, and so this envelope has come today, and hopefully it's all safe inside. So let's have a look. So I'll just take the invoice out. Actually, I can't see an invoice. Okay, not a problem. So I have 6 packs of paper. So I think what I'll do is open them and then come back. So I've now opened all the packs. Each pack was just individually sealed in plastic. Luckily the corners on them look pretty good given they were in an envelope. Only one of the packs has sort of quite dented corners. Now I don't remember which months these were, so I'll put them up on screen with each pack. All the paper packs were from 2015 and 2016, but I just don't remember off the top of my head which month they were. So anyway, the first paper, there's a chair on this side. And on the reverse side, a wood grained floral. Paper feels nice. The typewriters, I think this is why I wanted the pack actually, for the pink, which I love, and also for the typewriters. And on the reverse of the typewriters, there's a blue and white check. Oh, and there's another typewriter. Okay, that's a bonus. 3 typewriter pages. Then there's a Hello Life in a red, which coordinates nicely with the red, the deeper colour pink on the floral. And there's a mustard wood grain floral. And I'll just move them to the side and we'll have a look at the other things. So there's a vellum, which is also a typewriter, which is fantastic because I love the typewriter, and I seem to actually have typewriter overload, which is fantastic because the typewriter was the whole reason why I bought the paper pack, as there seem to be 2 vellums with the typewriter on them. So that's a lucky bonus for me. And then the vellum is a mustard and the floral. Okay, so I'm loving the pinks in this pack, and also the typewriters. So that's the first one. This is the second pack. So this is a red pack, this one, and it has sort of these Scandi flowers and things on it. So on the other side, a sort of geometric floral. Then there's a mustardy yellow, I don't know what you call it, swirl. And on the back of the swirl is this floral. Then there's this one, which I actually received in a grab bag when Christy had grab bags. So it's got this one on the reverse. So there are the papers that are in this month. And then the vellum is this girl with the little ankle boots and jeans, and the little skirt and top which goes with the patterns on the paper. So she's really cute. I love all of Christy's girls, so that's really cute to have that. And then the vellums there's this vellum here, and the green, I think I called it squiggle, the green squiggle vellum. So I like that pack. There aren't many packs, I think, that are red based, and then with the girl in it, that's a bonus. Okay, so this is the next pack. So we've got a nice bright yellow, and on the reverse of the yellow, tulips, which are fantastic, one of my favourite flowers. Then there's a floral, reverse of the floral, sort of a distressed wood grain, yeah, distressed wood grain I would think. And we've got this geometric pattern, and on the back the yellow floral. So that's this pack. I think off the top of my head this is July 2016, but I will put it on screen. I just couldn't wait to open these. So then there's an acetate, which is a lovely colour actually, sort of a sage. Then there's a vellum, which is the girl with sunglasses. And the second vellum is a floral. So I'm really happy with that pack. Another girl page, and also some different colours. Okay, this is the next pack. So it has a Planner Society girl. And then on the reverse side, it's nice actually, the background has a textured look on it. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but it's a black heart and a textured cream background. Then there's pink dots on red, and on the reverse is the Planner Girl on a mustard background. I did notice with the original paper pack that the background was a really nice light blue, but when it was remade it seems to have developed a different colour for the background. It's a little bit sad, as I really love the light blue, but this Planner Girl is cute. So she goes in fact with some cards which I've bought on a buy sell trade. So these cards came in the original kit, and perhaps the paper background was more like this. I don't know, I've never actually seen the paper in real life. And then there's coffee cups, iced coffee cups, and then on the reverse a floral. So that's that kit. This is from 2015. I can't remember specifically which month in 2015. So then if we look, oh wow, I didn't know this was coming. I had no idea. There's a vellum with a pink Planner Society girl on it. That is really cool. Showing my age there, using words like cool, but I love that. Love that. I was excited about the green paper, so the pink vellum is even more exciting. Then there's a vellum with the Planner Girl in black and white. So that's this complete Planner Girl there. And then a vellum of the last paper. So that's really really a nice pack for me to have. My head is swirling already with how to use some of these Planner Society Girl pages. So that's very good. And the next pack is a summary pack. So we've got pineapples on this side, and on the reverse, flamingos. And it's a really nice flamingo page actually, with the fine blue and white stripes and then the little black crosses on the white. Then that's actually really nice looking. Then there's this fun page, which is sort of different scallops of all of the papers, I believe, that are in the pack. So you can see here the pineapples and the flamingos. And on the reverse is a pink pineapple. And then this is very nice, Christie's bow on a green. And on the reverse of that, a nice bright summery floral. So there are the 6 papers there. And then there's a flamingo acetate, which is cute. Makes me laugh, that one. There's a pink floral vellum. And a pink, oh, it is this way, a pink pineapple vellum. So that's a fun, bright, sort of summery paper pack. And then this is the last one, so we'll start with the paper. So this is like a pink, sort of a pink lace on a white distressed wood grain background. It's nice actually. And on the reverse of that, you've got a little bit of a crocheted edge and then a leaf with a distressed background. Then there's a floral with definitely with a hand painted look. And on the reverse of that, crochet doilies. I think now we don't call them doilies, do we? We call them mandalas, but crochet doilies. And some font, be fabulous, be thankful, be true, be kind, be giving. And on the reverse of the font, a dark floral. So there are the pages in that paper pack. Then there's an acetate, which is quite effective actually. It's really quite stunning. And then there's a vellum, which is floral, and another vellum, which is also floral. So there are these 6 paper packs which I purchased. From Christie. So overall I'm really happy with them. There's pages I've definitely never seen before. So I'm very, very happy. I think possibly this one may be the favourite one that I purchased, just because of all the Planner Society girls and girl things in it. This one and this one. I am curious as to whether the green of this is the same as the green of the other one. Green bow. No, they're definitely different greens if you look at that. I mean, obviously they're made to coordinate with the colour in the specific kit. So the bow is definitely a different green from the Planner Society girl paper. Planner Society girl paper is more muted, which is nice. So that's that. That's the 6 paper pack. So shipping was quite expensive, as I did say, but I think just to have these, I think it was worth it, and there's a lot of crafting opportunities with all of these, so I'm quite excited to have some time to dig in and play with them. Okay, well, if you've made it this far in, thank you very much for watching. Okay, bye!